Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account. This links your preferences and saves images. Once signed in, open Bing and choose Image Creator. Do that now. Make sure browser permissions for mic or camera are enabled because they speed workflows when adding voice or photo prompts. You do this first so prompts, credits, and history sync correctly. Once done, you're positioned at the prompt box and ready to craft your input. That's where the creative control begins, and why setup matters. You now focus on the prompt. Describe the subject, style, and mood. This directs the generator. For example, name the subject, then add lighting and color cues. Specify camera terms or art medium to control realism versus stylized output. Once you include modifiers like aspect ratio 16:9 or color palette, select size and creativity slider to balance novelty and fidelity. Make sure to attach a reference image if you need accurate likenesses. That improves. You finish by reviewing generated options, then pick variations to refine composition and use upscaling for higher detail. Once satisfied, download as PNG or JPEG. Make sure to check any usage notes or watermarks before sharing. If images look off, simplify your prompt wording and lower the creativity setting because complex prompts can confuse the model. If problems persist, clear cache or restart the browser. Then re-enter a pared-down prompt. That usually resolves stuck rendering or unexpected artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.